Hey guys, Sinister with the Drone Network here, and today I've got another episode of What's in the Package. This comes to me courtesy of my friend Errl RC, Alvin, and I cut the box to save a little bit of time here because it's taped up really good. He's a pro at packaging. So let's see what's in here. Let's see what we've got. Very cool, I can see. He sent me a pagoda. This is going to go on my Fat Sharks because the stock dipole antenna for the Fat Shark Recon V2, not very good. It's my only complaint about those goggles. So yeah, I appreciate this, Alvin. Errl RC, thank you very much. That's nice. Very nice. So I should be able to get some pretty decent range out of this with my goggles. So excellent. Thanks again, Alvin. I really appreciate this. And these will go on my Fat Sharks, and hopefully looking to do some FPV this weekend with Old School, the LHI 250 build. So, stay tuned, folks. Thanks for stopping by. See you in the next one. Hey guys, Sinister with the Drone Network here. And I just wanted to show off my new banner for my channel. This was made by my friend Alvin, Errl RC. And it's perfect. It's basically what I envisioned that I wanted. We got what could be conceived as the camera bird up in this corner right here, the racing quad, and an RC truck, because I am also into the RC trucks and cars and all that. So yeah, I'm loving what he's done with this. Good color scheme. Thanks, Alvin. I really appreciate this. I just wanted to show this out and give you a special shout out, brother. Appreciate it.